Sugar, honey, honey, you are my sugar.
To Pisgah National Forest. I don't know if that's what you call it. Pisgah. Pisgah? Meow. She's driving crazy. She's going pretty fast.
Some street races.
My ears are popping. I took a nap because now we're in North Carolina because we just left Tennessee. It took us 2 hours to get to North Carolina, and I just thought might as well stop by since it's on the way. So we're gonna go see another waterfall. So yeah, peace out, Girl Scout, Boy Scout. Okay, so we're about to do a tour of the last Airbnb of this trip, and it's an awesome Airbnb. Alright, this is the door, but when you walk in, you see this, another cute freaking sign, and then just cute decorations. Out of popsicle sticks. That is so cool. Cute little desk area right here, and the map. A bunch of menus, and over here is the bathroom. Cute shower, a cute little minimalistic sink right there. That's me. They look weird. Toilet, not like you need to see that. And then here, baby, you want to show them this? They have this thingy.
Number you want.
Let's start from 1.
1.
So number 1, they have flashlights. Ooh, bug spray.
I'm gonna need that later.
First aid kit. Q-tips, toothpaste, floss. Then a bunch of, you know, hygiene stuff, just in case you forgot. Over here, we have the little kitchen, mini kitchen area. Then, you know, basic refrigerator, microwave, you know, basic stuff, coffee, cute essentials, which is very thoughtful. You even have sugar, honey, anything you may need. And over here is the tiny study area, which I absolutely love. This is a cute couch that turns into a futon if you would like.
And she wants her privacy.
And there's like a door right there. Alright guys, and we're gonna show you something super cool. Okay? Super cool. Right, babe?
Yeah, let me hold it.
Hey guys, so watch. This is the best part. It's red. Purple and green.
Yeah.
Okay, let's show them what it looks like from the outside. They put magazines and stuff and menus for food that's around the area. So that's a really cute thing to do. Like small things like that make our trip even like better. I give it a 15 out of 10. 15 out of 10. my plants. I'm gonna show you guys what I got. I got 3 cactuses and then 2 little like cute leaf plants. This one is called Calathea ovulata. I don't know, but it looks like, you know, it kind of looks like it's painted, but it's not. This is a real plant. Like, it's a real legit plant. We got this big plant. See, it's pink underneath, and then the leaves are beautiful. This is what they call a prayer plant. So when it becomes like nighttime, or when there's less light, it like closes up and like it's praying, and so we'll be able to see the pink on the other side. Then I got 3 cactuses. Got this one. You see it? I got this one. And then this is my favorite. It's called a Madagascar. You see that? A Madagascar palm. Sorry, it's so cool. That's what we got. The lady over there gave us free bookmarks. Cute, right? Then she also gave us a free card. I picked this one out. But basically, her and her husband opened up this shop, and not only do they sell unique plant, but they also sell cute cards like this. And what's amazing about it is that they're the ones who make it. Like, they're the ones who painted this or drew it. And like, I think that's so amazing. Like, it's so cute. Okay, I forgot to also mention that this place is called the Tiny Greenhouse, and it is located in Greensboro, North Carolina. So if you guys ever are near the area, I would highly recommend going to this place because their plants are very affordable. Lowe's be charging too much for some basic plant. Like, this is amazing. I would 10 out of 10 recommend. The people that run it are so kind, so sweet, so down to earth, and you can tell they put a lot of love into their store and their products. So I love that. The reason why I wanted to get plants is because the energy from it, I know that sounds so weird, but the people who know what I'm talking about knows what I'm talking about. But plants, or being in nature, is like the #1 place where you can get like the root of energy, like where the energy is the strongest. I am a plant mom. I have 5 kids to my collection, so yay! Cue your daddy.
That didn't come from my seed.
But dumb.